Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Htc U12 Plus. So go ahead and stick around, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. So let's go ahead and get right into the action. Guys, so here we are with the Htc U12 Plus. So right off the bat, first thing I noticed that this thing right here is actually, the power button is actually not a button, it's like a haptic feedback button. So that's pretty cool, man. First time kind of experiencing that. Kind of strange, but kind of cool feeling at the same time. Not a bad deal there. So haven't had an HTC phone in my hand for a long time, guys, and this one is actually coming off the thing. So yeah, but you got your fingerprint sensor back there, you got your cameras on the back, your flash on the back. Unfortunately, I really don't have a lot of these specs on me. This is like a it's actually a Qualcomm section, and so Qualcomm has like just some phones that they actually power. So it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform, and this one it's got your Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and your Qualcomm aptX HD powering, and inside this Htc U12 Plus. So let's just go ahead and take a quick look at everything that comes inside of the phone right here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at your back camera right there. This is the back camera for the Htc U12 Plus. I know we're not going to really be able to get like a full type of look or anything like that. This is just basically just so you guys can kind of, if you're a fan of mine, you know, we can have the Htc U12 Plus on the channel itself. I don't know, I might not even upload this video, to be honest with you guys, but let's go ahead and check what the phone actually comes with. We got the Htc Sense Companion, we got mail, calendar, people, productivity, photos, themes, YouTube, play music, media, social, maps, Play Store, Google, clock, settings, tools, record, activity, reader, emergency alerts, Htc Alexa, touch panel, Htc Sense, and your Vive ports. So let's go ahead and take a dive right into the settings of the phone real quick. And what we always do is we're going to go into that storage. So it looks like you do have 64 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty awesome right there. So that's nice, 64 gigs of storage. I'm trying to look for the RAM right here, can't really find it exactly. Let's just go ahead and look at the system right here. Let's take a look about phone to see what this actually uses. Software information, so you are using 8.0.0 Oreo. Yeah. So really, camera is really nice though. Yeah, I'd like to get some more hands-on with this device, but unfortunately, HTC, I don't really talk to HTC like that. But pretty nice phone. You can see you got some dual cameras set up there. You got, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom right there. You got your USB Type-C right there. You got your microphone down there. Looks like you got a speaker down there at the bottom. And yeah, that's going to be about it for me, guys. So this has just been a quick look at the Htc U12 Plus. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and move on to another phone. But not bad, not bad. So don't forget to leave a like.